Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create talking AI for free using Canva. Okay, let's get started. Here I have created a project in my Canva. And first of all, we need to go to the Canva apps. You can select the apps right here. And then you can go to the AI powered. And if you want to create talking AI, I recommend you to use this app, Agent AI Avatars. Okay, and we're going to use this app to create talking AI avatar. Okay, guys, and here you can choose the avatar you want to use, and you can also upload your own photo. But here I'm just going to choose the available avatars in this app. For example, I'm gonna go with this one, guys. Okay, and I'm going to apply background color. Okay, and then here you can type your script. For example, I'm just going to use the script right here. I'm gonna go with this one, and then you can choose the voice. I'm gonna go with this one, and after that we just need to click on generate a video, guys, and we just need to wait for a moment until the AI video has been created with the hygiene. Talking AI avatar has been created, and I'm going to click on add to the sign. Okay, and this is the result, guys. I'm going to play.
Presenter today. Nice to meet you. I'm your presenter today.
Okay, and once you're ready to save your video, you just need to click on share, and you can click on download. Okay, guys, and that's all the way to create talking AI using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.